Good day, everyone. Do you know how to play Damat? Damat is like a dama with a twist. First, you need a Damat board. Damat board is similar to a checkerboard with a twist. All white tiles on the board have a mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division that will be used when a player's piece captures the opponent. It has numbers labeled 0 to 7 on its sides to determine the coordinates of the piece. Each piece of the player has corresponding values depending on what type of damat is being played. We will teach you how to play integer damat. For integer damat, the following numbers should be written on the chips: -9, 6, -1, 4, 0, -3, 10, -7, -11, 8, -5, and 2. To start the game, arrange the chips and copy the figure on the screen. The game will start at toss coin to determine which player will do the first move. Moving a chips means sliding it diagonally in the forward direction. After your move, you need to record it on the score sheet. In recording your moves, you need to write the value of chips and the present coordinates of it. Each player is allotted a 1 minute for the move, including the recording of the move. If the player captured 2 chips of the opponent, the player will be granted a 30 seconds more time on solving and recording the moves. Each player must record their scores in running total. The chips declared a dama if the chip stops on any of the following coordinates of the opposing player: 1, 0, 3, 0, 5, 0, and 7, 0. Similarly, the opposing player's chips declared a dama if it stops on any of the following coordinates: 0, 7, 2, 7, 4, 7, and 6, 7. A dama chips can slide diagonally forward or backward on any occupied square as long as no opponent blocks its path. It could take a chip or chips whereby its corresponding sum, difference, product, or quotient is doubled. The game will end if 20 minutes game lapse, the moves are repeated, a player has no more chips to move, or an opponent chips is cornered. The remaining chip or chips of the player are to be added to the scores of the players. The player with the greater accumulated total score wins the game.
Created using Powtoon.